And we know that vaccines are the greatest protection from the virus. And while that might be the case, many remain unvaccinated. So far, 164.9 million Americans are fully vaccinated. The CDC reports 88 million Americans received the Pfizer doses, 63.5 million got the Moderna doses, and 13.2 got the J&J one-dose vaccine. And here locally, we are seeing more people line up for the shop, but we're still far away from where we need to be to make sure that everyone's protected. Tonight, ABC 27's Jada Williams is taking a closer look at why getting vaccinated, whether you've had the virus or not, is so important.
Ava, doctors say they're seeing a growing number of young people want to get the vaccine, but it's still not enough. Even still, I talked to plenty of teenagers and young adults today who say they have peers who are going out there to get it because they're afraid of what's happening with the Delta variant right now.
This thing is really real. People are still dying from it.
Hospitalizations and cases of COVID-19 continue to rise as the Delta variant spreads. Medical experts saying this time the 20 to 40 age range getting hit the hardest. The Florida Department of Health reports 41% of people in their 20s are vaccinated, 49% in their 30s, and 59% in their 40s.
You're seeing more younger people because the older people got vaccinated.
Dr. Cheryl Holder says the Delta variant is a stronger version of what moved throughout the world last summer, meaning it's much easier to make a healthy person sick.
This virus is much more able to bind onto the receptors than the previous virus because it's changed, it's mutated.
Meaning the Delta variant is much stronger, allowing it to attach to more healthy cells versus the regular strain of COVID.
You can tell now that everybody is kind of on the cautionary side now.
If you have COVID and haven't received the vaccine, doctors say the best time to get your shot is once you're clear of symptoms and out of quarantine. Dr. Daniel Van Dermy says the Delta variant is so strong, you're not protected by antibodies built up from simply having COVID.
The immune system is extremely complicated, and the vaccines provide us some of the important protection against bad infections. But it's incapable of stopping every one of the viruses that can get into your system.
Which also explains how a vaccinated person can get the virus. But the outcome is much different if you have the added protection from the vaccine.
It doesn't send you to the hospital. It doesn't send you to the ICU. It doesn't send you to the morgue.
Jada, all very important information. So what are doctors doing to get these facts about vaccinations out there?
Ava, Florida State College of Medicine is hosting a town hall to answer any of the questions that you will have. Now that is happening at noon online tomorrow. We have that registration link on our website. That's WTXL.tv. In Tallahassee, Jada Williams, ABC 27.